Hello everyone, it's me Louie Carpuz. We all know my son loves trucks, so we will be waiting for a lot of trucks here and taking videos. Let's go! My son also loves coaster buses. Oh, there. Water delivery truck. Okay, everyone. So, we all know Rue, my son, loves trucks, buses. There. Filipino, classic Filipino jeepneys, e-jeepneys. So, he likes those. We will be waiting and taking videos. Something there. So let's wait for more trucks or buses or classic Filipino jeepneys, and we will be taking video. So we're here just waiting. Now there's a Nature Spring truck. Okay, container truck. Okay, wow, yellow water delivery truck. Stainless. Okay, there, a classic Filipino jeepney. Wow, nice. Okay, we're going to Middle Quarry from City Camp. We're gonna change location. We're gonna try to wait for trucks, jeeps, buses, anything. So let's go. There. Okay, we're walking again. There, truck. Mini truck.